First the ant, and now the fly have disappeared without a trace. What kind of shenanigans is going on in this forest?
You know, these things are everywhere. What are they, flowers? They look really strange.
Molly, make like a fly again so we can find that fly. Huh? Where did Molly go?
That's funny. She was here a minute ago.
Molly? First the ant, then the fly, and now Molly! Molly!
Molly! Molly! Where are you? Molly! Wow, the smell of sweet honey! It's coming from over here. Oh, it smells so yummy!
Baba, have you found Molly? Baba? Baba? Baba's gone too? No way! What if the monster that attacked the poor ant and fly has gulped down my Molly and Baba? What if he's after me right now? Feet, don't fail me now!
Help me! Help me, please!
I couldn't believe my eyes, but I decided to observe the plant that had attacked Molly. Suddenly, the plant just ate a fly! Apparently, the plant was a carnivorous plant that preyed on insects by luring them in with strong smells. Carnivorous plants live in areas where the soil lacks nutrients, so they eat insects to get the nutrients they need.